Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Melda. This time I will do the task of reading article in English. Teacher-student alignment to develop a following pedagogy. A case study of cultural dialogues for mathematical problem solving. Abstract, this study aims to develop effective pedagogies for addressing teachers' and students' values. For mathematical problem solving or following pedagogies VPs for mathematics. The aim is achieved by teacher-student alignment. The case study was conducted with a mathematician, the teacher teaching and educational psychologist, the student how to solve problems like a mathematician, the teacher taught the student by engaging in problem solving activities like a one-to-one tutorial immediately followed by their oral reflections. The formal teaching, including handwriting of teacher-student interaction, was recorded. Follow-up oral and written dialogues continue between the teacher and the student in the later data analysis and paper process. Qualitative data analysis finds that the process generates clear patterns of value alignment. Teacher values transmission to students, teacher-students negotiations, and bridging teacher-students gaps by reform-wide teacher reflection and restructuring of pedagogies. The expert dialogues serve as innovative methodology for identifying in-depth mechanisms for teacher-student value alignments and effects VPs. Introduction. Value serves as the guide for human actions, including education. Value is one of guiding factors in the learning compass for 2030 Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development OECD 2019. The major actors in education settings as students and teachers values alignment between teachers and students in content and congruence will benefit student self-esteem. Benes Weisman et al. 2020. However, educators and their respective students come to class with their own aspect of valuing, and these are likely to be different. I values alignment helps to maintain functioning classroom environment. Then educators and students will want to see on another's values aligned and in harmony. Kalogoropoulos et al. 2021 3029 p. 3029. A cultural phenomenon, for example, despite common values in learning mathematics among Chinese students, e.g. achievement, relevant practice, communication, feedback, and information and communication technology. Taiwan's and Chinese mainland students value communication more than Hong Kong students, Sang et al. 2016. Cultural issue mixed with the concern of teacher-student value alignment may generate students, teachers, and cultural issue in implementing pedagogies for mathematics, as we will see in this study. This study uses an innovative research method. A Western mathematician teaching an Eastern educational psychologist who has no formal degrees in mathematics, both experts teaching and learning. Practice allow for teacher-student dialogues at equal status, and all the student and teacher voice can be fully retrieved and documented. This will contribute to the knowledge of the values and valuing process of students, teachers, and their alignment. Students process mathematical problem solving as effect cognition interaction. Mathematical problem solving is not only a cognitive issue but also an emotional issue. Burton, 1919, mathematics as a subject of the study of patterns and relationships, p. 12. In striving for progression to enhance capacity, students experience anxiety and wish to exercise their creativity and control over their mathematics learning. The interaction between student cognitive and affective response in mathematical problem solving is complex. Based on theory about effect, e.g. 1994, Hanula 2002, developed a framework of 4 evaluation process: emotions in a situation, emotions associated with a stimulus, expected consequence, and relationship between a situation and personal values. The 4 evaluations are an interaction between cognition and affect in the process of mathematical problem solving. The emphasis, however, focus on evaluations and dealing to the problem solving process may need further clarification.